Hello student, this is the second part of compound angles. So in first part I explained two results. First result is cos of a minus b is proved as cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So second result, that is cos of a plus b is equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Third result students, that is sin of a plus b. Actually sin of a plus b is cos of 90 minus of a plus b, you can write, provided a plus b is acute. So this can be written as cos of 90 minus a minus b. Feel just like this is alpha and this is beta. Cos of alpha minus beta, cos alpha cos beta, cos alpha cos beta plus sin alpha sin beta. This is cos alpha means 90 minus a into cos beta means b plus sin alpha means sin 90 minus a into sin beta means b only. So you know that cos of 90 minus a sin a into cos b, sin of 90 minus cos a into sin b. So finally what you got nana? Sin of a plus b formula. What? Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. You should remember like this. Okay. Students, important nana. For cos a minus b, cos a cos b, here plus, here minus means here plus. Here plus means here minus. Cos first, next sin. For sin of a plus b, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Sin and cos, sin first, next cos. Sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. Okay. Next result, fourth result, that is sin of a minus b can be written as sin of a plus of minus b. Shouldn't feel that this is just like sin of alpha plus beta. Just now I proved for that, sin alpha cos beta plus cos alpha sin beta. That is sin alpha means a, into cos beta means minus b plus cos alpha means a into sin beta means minus b. So this is sin a into cos of minus b cos b only, sin of b minus sin b, minus into plus minus, minus cos a into sin b. Finally what I got nana? Sin of a minus b equal to sin first, sin a into cos b, minus, here minus only, cos a into sin b. So this is the formula for sin of a minus b. This is result number 4. Okay, again I want to write all the 4 results, students. Important, listen Nana. All the 4 results I want to write here. First result, cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Cos of a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Cos of a minus means here plus, plus means minus. So both the formulas combined here. Our second result, sin of a plus b What is that? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Plus means plus only, nana. Minus means minus. That's why here first minus means I can say minus. So all the four formulas are combinedly written in these two formulae. Okay. Now students, example, sometimes you want to find sin 15-degree value, that can be written as sin 45-degree value minus 30-degree. Sin of A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. That is 1 by root 2 into root 3 by 2 minus 1 by root 2 into 1 by 2. Therefore, sin 15-degree, sin 15-degree value equal to root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. Okay, students. Next, I want to find the value of sin 45-degree. 75-degree. I want sin 75. Plus should write here, plus should write here, plus should write, plus you will get. Yeah, what I can say, sin 75-degree equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay, students. So important thing is, here A and B are any two real numbers. No restriction for A and B. Nana. For A and B any two real numbers, these two results are true. Next, IMP note. First one, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B equal to 2 sin A cos B. For proof for this, sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B means what, nana? Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B, bracket, plus sin A minus B, sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Observe, students, these two get cancelled. So what we will get, nana? These two are two like terms, just like x plus x, 2x, 2 sin A into cos B. So this is the formula of sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. Okay. Note 2, students, I want to write in next page. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B equal to 2 cos A sin B. Observe, nana, difference between these two formulae. Sin of A plus B plus sin of A minus B. 2 sin first, next cos. Here, sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B, cos first, 2 cos A sin B. Proof. Sin of A plus B minus sin of A minus B is equal to sin of A minus B, A plus B means sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Okay. Minus sin A cos B minus cos A sin B. Now I want to open that bracket. Sin A cos B plus cos A sin B minus sin A cos B minus into minus plus cos A sin B. Students, these two get cancelled. So what we will get, nana? 2 into cos A into sin B. You should remember like that. Sin A plus B minus sin A minus B remembered as 2 cos A sin B. Okay. Number 3 nana. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b remembered as 2 cos a cos b. Proof for this. Cos of a plus b plus cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus means cos a cos b minus sin a sin b, formula for cos of a plus cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Okay. So these two get cancelled, students. So what will get nana? These two are two like terms, just like x plus x, 2x, 2 cos a cos b. Okay. Next result, third result, fourth result. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b can be remembered as minus 2 sin a sin b. Proof. Cos of a plus b minus cos of a minus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b bracket minus cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. So now this is nothing but cos a cos b minus sin a sin b minus cos a cos b plus into minus sin a sin b. Students, these two get cancelled. The result is minus x minus 2x minus 2 into sin a into sin b. So these are very, very important results, these 4 results. Okay. Next, students, fifth result. Very, very, very important. Okay. Yeah, what is that? Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b equal to sin square a minus sin square b. Then students, trigonometry is based on several formulae. Trigonometry is memory based chapter. You need to remember several results. Okay, this is the one of the important results, students. So I want prove the result. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b. Sin of a plus b means sin a cos b plus cos a sin b into sin a cos b minus cos a sin b. This is looking just like alpha plus beta into alpha minus beta, alpha square minus beta square, sin a cos beta b whole square minus cos a into sin b whole square. Or another words, I can say that sin square a into cos square b minus cos square a into sin square b. But we want result in terms of sin alone. So that's why sin square a as it is, instead of cos square b, I had 1 minus sin square b. Minus 1 minus sin square a I can write into sin square b. Now open the bracket, students. What happened? Sin square a minus sin square a into sin square b minus sin square b minus plus sin square a into sin square b. Observe, students, these two get cancelled. So what is left with us? Sin square a minus sin square b. That I will write. What is left with us? Sin square a minus sin square b. Therefore, final result, important result students, that is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b should be remembered as sin square a minus sin square b. Okay. Important. Sometimes our result should be in terms of cos. Sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b should be remembered as, observe students, I will prove here. Sin square a means 1 minus cos square I can write. Sin square means 1 minus cos square b I can write. 1 minus cos square a minus 1 plus cos square b. 1 get cancelled. What will get nana? Cos square b minus cos square a. Sometimes you want write the formula in terms of cos. Sorry, in terms of cos. Okay. Yeah, what I got? Cos square b minus cos square a. In terms of sin means sin square a minus sin square b. In terms of cos means cos square b minus cos square a. Should remember now this one. Okay. So sixth result also important students. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Important now. Important. In previous result, both in terms of sin or both in terms of cos. But for this formula, cos of a plus into cos of a minus b, one cos and one sin. Cos square a minus sin square b. Proof. Cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Cos of a plus b means what? Cos a cos b minus sin a sin b into cos of a minus b, cos a cos b plus sin a sin b. Students, observe na, this is just like alpha and this is just like beta. This is alpha and beta. Alpha minus beta into alpha plus beta, alpha square minus beta square. So that is cos a into cos b whole square minus sin a into sin b whole square, which is same as cos square a into cos square b minus sin square a into sin square b. Okay, now I want disturb this and again this. So instead of cos square you write as it is. Instead of cos square b, write 1 minus sin square b minus 1 minus cos square a into sin square b, which is same as cos square a minus cos square a into sin square b minus sin square b minus into minus plus cos square a into sin square b. Students, these two get cancelled. So what will left? I will write here only. So what will left nana? Cos square a minus sin square b. Very, very important results. Okay, now I want to write all the results here, important results. Student, this chapter is fully depend upon formulae. One is sin of a plus b into sin of a minus b can be remembered as sin square a minus sin square b. Sometimes it can be remembered as cos square b minus cos square a. One thing. Second one is cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b, cos square a minus sin square b, or sometimes it be remembered as, so 1 minus sin square a I can write first thing minus 1 minus cos square b, cos square b minus sin square a, cos square b minus sin square a, both are same. Observe none. 1 minus sin square a minus 1 plus sin square, 1 get cancelled, sin square b, yeah, what is this? Cos square b minus sin square a. Yeah, hello students, this is the example problem based on our previous concept. Sin square 82.5 degree minus sin square 22.5 degree equal to 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. Okay, so this is in the form of sin square a minus sin square b. Okay, we know that sin square a minus sin square b is nothing but sin of a plus b into sin of a minus. So what I can say now? Sin square of 82.5 degree minus sin square of 22.5 degree is same as sin of a plus b, 82.5 degree plus 22.5 degree into sin of 82.5 degree minus 22.5 degree. Yeah, which is same as sin of, students, of plus of 1, 82 plus 22, that is 4, 104 plus 1, 105 degree into sin of, so 82 minus 22, 60 degree. So this is nothing but sin of 90 plus 15 into sin of 60 degree. Yeah, listen students, 90 plus theta, second quadrant sin plus cos 15 degree, that one, cos 15 degree into sin 60 degree. Cos 15 degree value is root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2, already proved one, into root 3 by 2. Okay, I think root 3 plus 1 by 2. So I will write here since cos 15 equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. That is already is here, root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Okay. So this is root 3 into root 3, 3 plus root 3 by 4 root 2. That only one true. So, which is equal to RHS. Here I can write LHS. Therefore, LHS equal to RHS. Yeah, one more problem. Students, feel that this as A and this as a B. Again, sin square A minus sin square B. Sin square 45 degree minus sin square 15 degree. Sin square A minus sin square B. Sin of A plus B into sin of A minus B. Sin of A plus B. A means what here? 45. Plus B means 15 degree into sin of A means 45 degree minus 15 degree, that is sin 60 degree into sin 30 degree. Sin 60 root 3 by 2, sin 30 1 by 2, finally the result is root 3 by 4. Okay. Yeah, next example, here two examples are there. Yeah, I want to explain second one. cos square 112 half degree minus sin square 52 half degree equal to cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b. Because already you know that cos of a plus b into cos of a minus b equal to cos square a minus sin square b. Okay. So cos of a plus b 112 half degree plus 52 half degree into cos of 112 half degree minus 52 half degree. So cos of 112 and 52, 165 degree into subtraction 0, 60 degree. Okay, this is same as cos 180 minus 15 degree into cos 60 degree. 102nd quadrant you will get minus cos 15 degree into cos 60. So minus cos 15 degree into cos 60 degree minus root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2 into 1 by 2. So finally minus of root 3 plus 1 by 4 root 2. Okay, so what I can say, this LHS, what I got, that is RHS. Therefore LHS is equal to RHS. These are few problems based on our previous results.